Hi, in this next episode, we're going to talk about the WC command. WC stands for word count. Now, this command works on files to display the number of lines, words, and bytes inside a file. But it can also work for output. If you just want to count the number of lines, words, or bytes inside an output, you can always pipe specific outputs to the word count command. If you only want to see one specific attribute, such as the number of lines, the number of words, the number of bytes, you can run it with these specific switches. In this upcoming lab, we're going to show the various ways that the word count command can be used in order to analyze your data and analyze your files in the context of counting lines, words, and characters. Please stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the WC command. WC stands for word count. This is very useful for, analyzing data from text files and even from general output. So the WC command works by typing WC and the name of some file. We have a file called MBA, and let's see, we find out 30 lines, 67 lines, words, characters. All right, so this is how the WC command works. If you only want to see lines, you can say WC minus L. And again, whether it's our files, and here we have 30 lines, but of course it works on any other file as well. All right, so you can see how many lines are in a file, how many words are in a file. WC minus W, or even how many characters are in a file. Of course, you can find out all the other options by reading through the manual page. You can count by bytes, characters, lines, maximum line length, words, and very simple command, but very helpful in order to process text or analyze text data or in your system a little bit easier. So that's it for the WC command. Thanks for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one.